funny how the story goes. Little hope but bigger dreams. They try to bring a sucker down, singing louder than the crowd. Listen the rhythm, I'm feeling brand new. Keep pushing forward, it's gonna save you.
Hello my friends, and welcome back to the channel and today's Clean With Me, and welcome if you are new here. Either way, I am so happy that you are here today and you are going to spend some time cleaning along or relaxing with me. Today we are tackling the mess and doing an almost whole house clean with me, and this is just kind of like my stay-at-home mom cleaning routine, and I'm really excited to share all the motivation with you guys today. So go ahead and grab a cup of coffee and let's jump right in.
The second and the third and the rest of it. You could be one of the things I love. Sunday morning breakfast with my bedroom door locked. I like everything that has a cherry on top. Get on my list of the things I love.
So we are starting off here in the master bedroom and just going ahead cleaning up and tidying all of the clothes that were on the floor and the bed. We're going to make the bed and we are going to wipe the surfaces. I do not wipe the surfaces every single day, but I do like to go ahead and do it minimum once a week, sometimes twice a week. And so we're just going to go ahead and tidy up the space and make it more cozy. I do like starting off with making my bed, as I feel like it creates a ripple effect and one thing leads to another, and then the whole house doesn't seem so daunting to tackle. And so if you are struggling right now with getting up and getting motivated, I want to encourage you to just do a simple task, whether that is making your bed or like wiping down a counter, clearing the counter, whatever that is. And again, one thing will lead to another, and next thing you know, you're just on a cleaning spree. Go ahead and let me know down below, do you make your bed every single day? So most of you know that I do make my bed. It is usually the one thing that gets me going and creates that ripple effect for me. And so I do try and do it daily. Sometimes when my husband is working night shifts, it doesn't get done until like mid-afternoon or even at all, but that is fairly new to us. So go ahead and let me know if you make your bed daily. So I wanted to create a little bit of a this or that. Stay tuned, as there will also be some laundry motivation in today's video as well. But I wanted to ask you, would you rather fold and put away the laundry or do the dishes? For me, laundry, and when I say laundry, I mean folding and putting away, is one of my least favorite tasks. I don't mind washing and drying the laundry, but I absolutely do not like actually having to fold it and put it away. So I would prefer to do the dishes, even though I am allergic to dish soap and I do get really bad eczema on my hands when I do a lot of dishes. I would still prefer to do the dishes. Let me know what you would prefer down below. Moving on from the master bedroom into my daughter's room. If this is not the most mom life moment here, I don't really know what is. Books all over the floor and just lots to do in here. So we're gonna go ahead and start off tackling this bookshelf. It gets absolutely out of control. We still have yet to paint it. I know it's been like a couple months, and I hope that we are able to do that soon. We do have some paint that we can use now, so that's very exciting. But again, this kind of gets a little bit out of control, so I just wanted to go ahead and clean that up before we go ahead and wipe down the surfaces and vacuum in here. As a stay-at-home mom or work-from-home mom, whatever you want to call me, I do obviously most of my cleaning when the girls are awake, and then I will do like the mopping and stuff either when they are not home or if they are sleeping in the evening or having quiet time during the day. And so I do most of my cleaning when they are awake. So as you saw there, my daughter came in the room. And for those of you that do not know, I have an almost 3 and an almost 5-year-old. And so again, they are kind of coming in and out. You don't see them in my videos as this is not their channel. It is my channel, and I don't want the focus to be on my children. But with that being said, I would love to know when you prefer to do most of your cleaning. If you do it during the day or just when they're gone or in the evenings, let me know down below. And also let me know if you have any kids. I'd love to know how many you have.
A new kind of ecstasy. You'll find a different side of me, the one I'd like to be, a different side of me, yeah. You'll find a different side of me, like someone pretty neat, a different side of me, yeah. No stop signs, counting down till we take flight. It's how you make me feel. Yeah, yeah. Let's call in sick and be lazy. I'm all for doing what's crazy, 'cause you make it real, yeah. You'll find a different side of me, the one I'd like to be, a different side of me, yeah, yeah. Like someone pretty neat, a different side of me, yeah.
Now that the bathroom is done, I'm gonna go ahead and just vacuum the main living area here, and then we are going to move into the entryway as well as the kitchen, and so stay tuned for that as well as some laundry motivation. If you are enjoying today's video and you haven't already, please make sure to give this video a thumbs up. It really helps me out and lets me know that this is the type of content that you like. And if you are enjoying today's video and you are not already subscribed, make sure that you go ahead and do so down below. And stay tuned, I will be doing a part 2 whole house clean with me, and I will be tackling the basement and doing some really deep cleaning down there. As well as my spring cleaning part 3, which will be coming up on my channel really soon as well. So lots of cleaning motivation and homemaking motivation to come if that is the type of content that you enjoy. Again, make sure to go ahead and hit that red subscribe button.
Like someone pretty neat, a different side of me, yeah.
to be a different side of me, yeah.
Isn't this the good life? Sitting on the front porch, sipping on the rocks. Citrus in our beverages. Citrus in our beverages. Show only the good sides. Always pretty smiles are covering our faces. You know it is our lives.
So this wouldn't be a stay-at-home mom routine if we didn't have the dishes to do. So I'm gonna go ahead and use some editing magic in today's video. But this is just your little gentle reminder to go ahead and tackle your dishes, do a load of laundry, just get up and get moving with me and tackle your mess, you guys. Once you get up and going, you will be so thankful that you did.
Hey, would you rather stay right here? Make everything disappear. Could play my favorite song. Put your rose-colored glasses on. What if we stay right here? Make everything disappear. Lay low in the beachy sun. Put your rose-colored glasses on. Yeah, put your rose-colored glasses on. Yeah. Isn't it a big crime to get a little lost in everybody's business? Why don't we all calm down? Why don't we all calm down? I think I'm the wrong size. Not enough room for everybody's egos. Why don't we all calm down? Why don't we all calm down?
So spring is definitely upon us over here in Canada and in Ontario mostly. And so the mud season has definitely come, and it is, not gonna lie, one of my least favorite parts about being a dog owner is just the mud that gets tracked in the house on top of the kids and all the things. So we definitely needed to vacuum and just get all this mud cleaned up. But if you have kids and you're a mom or you have an animal at home, then I know you feel the struggle.
Make everything disappear. Lay low in the beachy sun. Put your rose-colored glasses on. Yeah, put your rose-colored glasses on. Yeah.
All right, friends, it is now time to tackle that laundry. What a mess. Oh my gosh. This is your reminder to go ahead and switch over your laundry, grab that laundry and fold it along with me.
Covering our faces. You know it is our lives. You know it is our lives. Hey, would you rather stay right here? Make everything disappear. Could play my favorite song. Put your rose-colored glasses on. What if we stay right here? Make everything disappear. Lay low in the beachy sun. Put your rose-colored glasses on. Yeah, put your rose-colored glasses on. Yeah. Yeah, put your rose-colored glasses on. Put your rose-colored glasses on.
Life was dull until you came.
I hope that you enjoyed today's cleaning and laundry motivation. Again, don't forget to give this video a thumbs up and hit that red subscribe button to join our growing YouTube family. We will see you guys in the next one. Bye for now.
Didn't